Today, me and my brother, us three, we're gonna do a stress test on this Nerf gun. We already did part one. Let's do this fast because we're gonna do the drop test again. Let's do this. Here, I'm gonna hand it to my brother and he's gonna film me. Boy, you're going to get sledgehammer to hurt the gun. Boy, when we're hitting the gun, we get separate hammers. I'm going to get the sledgehammer. A little chip. Okay. Hammer test. Hammer test. Boy, here, I'm going to get sledgehammer.
No, you're not.
We both are. Okay, we're going to do the hammering test. Well, let's do it. Come on. Okay, stop right there. Oh, pretty much damage. Let me do this phone. Here. Hey. Ooh, how much damage did that do?
Do it to this gun. I'm dropping down the gun. Do that gun now. Do that gun now.
Pick up all the pieces and we're going to show it at the end. Too legit to quit.
Ready?
Sledgehammer. I'll do it.
We're both.